how to create account on TikTok. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. The first step is you need to download TikTok application on your device. For that, you need to go to your Google Play Store on your device. After that, in the search bar, you have to simply tap and search for TikTok. And you'll be able to see this option. You have to install it on your device, and after installing you have to go for open. Soon after opening, you'll be able to see the home page of TikTok where you can watch the videos. So in order to create your account on TikTok, you have to tap on profile option in the right bottom corner, and from over here you'll be able to see sign up option. You have to simply tap on that. Here you can either sign up by using your phone number or email. You can continue with Facebook or Google or Twitter. Here I am continuing using my phone number. After that, you have to go for send code option. Here you need to solve this puzzle to verify yourself. After the verification is completed, a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number that you have entered. You have to wait for 1 minute and it will send a code. After that, here you need to enter your birthday and go for next. After that, here you need to create a password for your TikTok account. Must note that your password must be at least of 8 characters and with 1 letter and number. You also have to enter your special character. This is because you have to create your strong TikTok password. After entering, you have to go for next. In this text box, you can either skip or you can also create your nickname over here and go for confirm. And after doing that, you can see my profile has been created. In order to view your profile, you have to tap on profile option in the right bottom corner, and here you'll be able to see your profile. So by following this simple step, you can create accounts on TikTok. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.